Okay, this is the current stroller unit that we have for our son. He spends a lot of time in here getting around when we're traveling. This is good for trails and hiking. We've had this in caverns along with Sandy, who helps pull this. So we're gonna show you how important that wide door is. Now what I'm able to do is, with leverage, I could tilt this back and get that front wheel up on there, and then because it's wide enough, I could just pick that up and get it in there, and you'll see it easily clears this door. And that's really important. Then with the moving everything around inside, you'll see how it has plenty of room to get around in here too. And I can push him right up to the corner of the futon here. I can do a transfer, get his feet off that side onto the floor there, and he can help stand a little bit momentarily, and then do a pivot and get him right onto the futon there. Lay him down to take care of him then. And then that's also where he sleeps sometimes. Sometimes he'll sleep in the back of the van too, and we'll go over that in another video, the tow unit that we have. So that's how that fits in here, and it's worked out really good. It's quite convenient. Well, like I said, we have that outside shower, but I can do a transfer, get him up off the edge of the futon here, and do a transfer onto the toilet there. So that's something else that is convenient, that he's that close to the toilet that it's just a step or two, and I can get him, you know, from there onto that toilet for him to be able to use that. So that's really convenient too. And it's all those little things that make such a big difference. When we were looking at units, different RVs, and then we had to go with a trailer because with our tow unit, it's a van, and we had to have a side entry there. We couldn't really, because there's a lift in there. So this stroller or his wheelchair is lifted right up into the van. So we couldn't really go with a pickup. So we couldn't go with a fifth wheel. I can't imagine a Class A or B or C unit. There probably are some out there with lifts and everything, but that was those type of things would be beyond our means. So we got a Ford, one of the new full-size Ford Transit wagons, and had a lift installed in the side of that, and pulled out most of the seats inside of it. And then we can pull up to between 5,000 and 6,000 pounds with it, which this definitely falls within. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the tour of our RV. We also have a pop-up unit that we use at one or two special places, and we'll be talking about that in a video. And be sure to check out the video on our tow unit also.